Hey everybody, I am back again talking about how to do the test and service check along with buttons. The Samwa card reader was originally introduced into the market in 1998 by Sega, and the first game to use it was Derby Owners Club, you guessed it. And so since it's Derby Owners Club, I'm going to show you how to get into the test menu. Go ahead and press the test button right here. There's test and service. Those are standard on arcade games. And I'll go ahead and show you. Once you're inside the menu, you can select with the service button. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'm going to go into the game board itself. That is the game test mode. Ooh, we're getting a lot of glare in here today. Okay, we're going to continue down this. We just got in the menu. And so, as you can tell, this is where you get into the test mode. Now, if I want to get back out, I can go ahead and press test, and I'll show you something kind of cool. So check this out. What's going to happen is, okay, took care of the glare at least somewhat. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to go to the JVS test. All right? Then I'm going to select the input test. Okay, watch player 1. See those 1s and 0s? 1 is on, 0 is off. So I'm going to hit the up arrow key. That's the location to know if it works. Here's the left key. Here's the right key. Down key. And OK. Now I'm going to hit start. Now this is the system table to show you exactly what's on and off. It's very nice to know what these are because you can go back in and reverse engineer it with JAMMA JVS and build a select check. And I'll get there in a second. This is hold. This is whip. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the select and check. Sometimes you have to do a select check to actually reset it, but I'll give you a tip. One way you can reset the actual card reader is to unplug this intermediate board from the Naomi right at the RS-232 plug right there. If you unplug that and plug it back in, it'll reset the card reader. Now that's different than what select and check does, and I'll go ahead and show you how this works. So I'm going to hit select and check on the table screen, and we can see which ones it is. So if you want to make your own buttons, this is where it is. This is select. This is check. Check, check, check. Okay, great. So I just wanted to go ahead and cover that with you guys. Oh yeah, one last thing. I bought this kilowatt meter over at Harbor Freight for 24 bucks. Now, the do-it-yourself kit draws about 3.8 amps, give or take, 0.2, that's 10%. So it's probably around 4.1 to 3.5 amps that it actually draws with the total power. It's kind of noisy in here, I'll just tell you. But I mean, this is great. Oh, this is cool. When you drop into the test mode, look, the horses freeze in the game. Usually it says network error or something, but tonight it's just blessing me with absolutely no errors and a frozen screen. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, does it? Look at that. Even the camera pans when the horses are frozen on the track. Eventually what will happen is it'll get down to where the horses win. So there's the network error. Beautiful. All right, so Heartbreaker 1, let's see if it shows it. And it gives these really wild times, like, check it out, Heartbreaker was everywhere. It was all over the track. Everybody's a Heartbreaker. Okay, well, that concludes this video on how to find out and reverse engineer which buttons attach to the Naomi and into which table for input. Thanks for watching and have a great day.